This tutorial will show you how to connect PeelCapture with your Hyperdeck so you can record your Hyperdeck as well as other devices simultaneously. The first thing you need to do is add a device to PeelCapture. To do that, you can press this plus button, and then you need to look in the drop down for Hyperdeck. Once we found Hyperdeck, the only information that we need is this IP address. So we're going to go over here to the Hyperdeck and make sure of one setting, and then find the IP address so we can set it in PeelCapture. To get to the settings, you're going to want to click Menu, and once you're in Menu, it might be a little bit hard to see, but this word at the top is Record, and that's the overall menu you're in. So you're going to want to use this knob to go all the way to the far right to the Setup menu. Once you're in the Setup menu, you're going to want to click Set to go into the options. And then the first one we're looking for is called Remote. So that's going to be all the way at the bottom. So just keep scrolling, and we found the remote setting. Now, currently the remote setting is set to on. I'll move it here just to see it better. But if for whatever reason it was off, you can just click that and then you'll see it's off, but we want it on, so it's back on with set. So now that we made sure that remote is on, we want to go back up and find our IP address, and that's going to be under network. So you can see the IP address is the one right here, and that's the one that we're going to want to put into PeelCapture. The other important thing is make sure that this protocol is DHCP, because that is the one that needs to be set in order to communicate with PeelCapture. Now, as you can see, we already have that IP address in PeelCapture, so all we need to do is click Add. Now we can go back to the Hyperdeck, hit Menu a few times, and go back to recording. Now that we are here, we've seen that Hyperdeck is green and ready for recording, so we can click Record. As you can see, the Hyperdeck is recording, and when we hit Stop, you can see that the Hyperdeck has stopped. Now you might notice that the Hyperdeck here in the devices did not turn red and is currently white. That's a minor software issue that will be fixed with a later update. But in terms of recording with your Hyperdeck and PeelCapture, this is all you need to know.